Look at you guys. Fantastic. Okay. Hey, I really like this. So I did not tell you how I wanted to see this, right? So you could do this more than one way. Do you want to come and show everybody how you did that? Can you do that? Thank you. So I saw a lot one way, and I saw Austin do this. Is that true? Does that work?
Yes.
Hey, thanks so much, buddy. Thank you. Okay. Did anybody have another way? Come on. Oh, both of you can come. Did you have the same? That's okay. Come on. I need to strategically point better. Here you go. Here it is. I'm going to do like the first half, the other half. Ooh. Hey. That's okay. We'll talk about it right when they. How this has just worked out so perfect because we have 3. You did, yes. So you actually did it 2 ways. Okay. Come on up. Okay, this is gonna be the board, but I like how everybody has come up with what works best for them, right? That's important. It's really important. Do you have a question? Or do you want to put yours up? Is yours? Whew, you guys are, these are really, really awesome. Save these ideas, hold on to them so that we can we're going to go just a little bit. These are going to come in handy really quick though, I promise.
When Arden did her multiplication sentence, is that 1/5 or 1/3?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a 5. It's a 5. It's sort of, sometimes when you hold these markers different, there's like a real fat kind of way it writes. You did so, oh, okay, I gotcha. You're getting fancy over there. I like that. Okay, so we have this one. We like this one. This is nice and simple. We've just decomposed this into three, just shows you just right here. Here we go. We've got these 3 parts represented here, right? Okay, so we have 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. All right, that's awesome. I like that. So, and then we have 1/5 plus 2/5, and this was right. That was correct, right? Everybody agreed? So we've got some really great work going on up here. Okay, this one, what is different about this one that we didn't see before?
It's multiplication.
It is multiplication. So we're actually going to get into that a little bit today. All right? You guys are going to be great at this. I can already tell. So we multiplied here. Now what about this one, Gabe? Is that who wrote that? Is this Gabe's? Where's Gabe? Oh, okay. Hey, I like how you signed your work, so I knew who did it. Okay. So Gabe, do you want to explain this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So I knew that 1/5 times 1 was 1/5, and then I knew that 1/5, and then I knew that that 1/5 wasn't enough, so I added another one, and then I knew that 1/5 times 2 was 2/5, and then I added 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5.
Okay. That's awesome. Does this work?
Yes.
That's okay.
Because I use that for almost every day the first 9 weeks. And
Well,
that-
you know what though? That's awesome because it's a good strategy. Now a friend knows the strategy, so we're all learning together, right?
whole entire class knows it.
And now the entire class knows it. Okay, so let me put this here really quick. Austin had, that's my fault, I'm sorry. Okay. Anybody see a similarity between what Austin wrote up and what Gabe wrote up? And if you can you see a similarity to even what Hold on, help me. Who wrote this one? Okay. Arden, right? Okay. Arden. Okay, who has it?
I have a similarity for Gabe and
Okay, tell us.
and they both do 1/5 and teaching.
They do. So Gabe decomposed his to 1/5 and 2/5 and added it. But then he also has something that's very similar to Arden's. What is that?
Well, I wasn't going to do Arden. I was going to do Gabe's and Austin's.
Okay, Gabe and Austin, tell me one more thing. Same thing? That's okay.
Did he say 1/5? They did Gabe did times and he got 1/5, but Austin added and he got 1/5 too, but never mind.
No. I see what I understand what you're saying with that. Hold that thought and think about it for just a second. Do you have the similarity between Arden and Gabe's?
Gabe used multiplication for 1/5 times 1, which is 1/5, and 1/5 times 2, which is 2/5, and that's the same to numbers in Austin's.
Arden's. Sorry, yeah, Austin and, I can't put an A there. That's the same. Never mind. Okay, so you're right. Did everybody understand what he just said?
Yes.
Kind of? Let me clarify it for you. Okay, so the similarity we have the numbers decomposed into separate parts and added together here. It is also decomposed into separate parts and added here in the same manner. However, what did he do to this number? He decomposed this. Is that where? Go ahead, tell me. I don't want to.
Well, I see the similarity between mine and Arden's. If you put, is it okay if I go and show you?
Sure.
Okay, I can explain. Because, if you take 1 from the 3 and put it down here, 1, and then you take
So
a
what's it called?
3, and then
What's the word we've been using? What's that called?
you decompose it.
Yes. So Gabe decomposed the 3 and multiplied by its simple parts. Okay. This may have taken on a whole route of its own, but let's go and move on to the next part. But I like where this is going. So everybody
I
is.
had another one.
You had another one? Hold the thought. Hold the thought. Let's move to the next part, and we'll see where we go with that one, okay? Because has anybody ever noticed that there's a lot of repetition? Do you know what repetition is? It's like where we do something, and then maybe the next day we do it again, and then maybe the next day we'll do it again, and there's another repeat, repetitive. And what does that do?
Over and over again.
Yeah, but what does that do? Do you think that we get that in our...
It helps you, so you know right away.
It does! Okay, so here we're going to do something else really, really fun. So we decompose that into 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, 1/5. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. So you guys have that down. Okay, so I want us to wipe our whiteboards off, get your whiteboards nice and clean, and we're going to count. And we're going to start really, really simple. We're going to count around the room. I need to see clean whiteboards, though, because I'm going to need you to use your whiteboard here in just a moment. Can you clean your whiteboard? Please. Thank you. Okay, so clean your whiteboards, and we're going to count. We're going to start over here, and then we'll probably have clean whiteboards by the time we get to the other side. Okay, so we're going to count. Does anybody know what we should start with?
0.
I like that one. I like 0. Let's start with 0. 1 was a good guess, though. We usually start like that. We're going to start with 0. Okay, so count off. Ready?
0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6,
Oh.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, so there's 17 of you in this class. That seemed pretty easy, right? That's like, we've known, we can count to 17, right? We got that down? All right. So now we're going to count by quarters. Funny. You're like, I don't know about this. Okay. I'm going to tap you, and you're going to say your number and write it on your whiteboard. And we're with, okay? Does everybody understand? Okay, so what are you going to start with?
25.
That is really good because there's, what, 25 cents in a quarter, which is what? What is a quarter?
25 cents.
And it's also 1. So, so we're going to start. What did we start with before? What were we before?
0.
Okay. Can you be 0 again? All right. I'll mix it up later. Okay. You be 0. And then what are you going to be?
1/4.
1. Okay. 4/4. Okay. Write your number on your whiteboard. Everybody keep track of what they are. So you got 4/4.
Oh, 1 whole, 1/4.
Okay. I like the way you said that. Let's.
5/4.
Yes, let's keep it that way, and then we're going to work on the other parts. But way to go on that. 6/4. Okay, make sure you write it down. 7/4.
8/4.
9/4.
10/4.
10/4. Write it down.
11/4.
11/4. 12/4.
13/4.
13/4.
14/4.
14/4.
15/4.
15/4.
16/4.
16/4.
17/4.
17/4. Okay. Oh, man. I'm getting my exercise today. Now you guys are going to get your exercise. Everybody stand up. It is going to involve fractions. You are spot on, Austin. Okay, let's do this. We're going to line up, and we're going to make a living number line. Who's going to start us off? Okay. You guys aren't going to start us off. Nice try to go first, though. Okay, 0. So you stand here and hold your whiteboard, and then we're going to go around the room kind of like this. So we're going to make like an arch. That way we can all see each other, sort of. Yeah, come around this way. That's a good way. Good idea. All right. Who's next? Oh, Austin's next. Everybody have their number on their whiteboard? Come around here. Is everybody in order? Okay. Here, you next? Here, let's I did not pay attention to those. Okay, here we go. Curve this way so that we can kind of get to see each other. Curve, keep going.
Anybody who's still over here, are you noticing anything wrong?
Moving it backwards.
What do you mean it's wrong line?
Well, when you read a number line, you read from left to right, and it's going from right to left.
So if you want from right to left, what should be happening with those numbers? To the left of 0. If they're to the left of 0, what are they doing? Look at 0 up here. What's to the left of 0? Getting negative. So what's wrong with your number line?
Negative fraction.
Yeah, you need to flip flop. I didn't pick up on it until I visually saw it. I didn't pick up on it.
You know, it would have probably taken me. I've been like, wait a minute, this is not. Man,
So
thank
notice
you.
notice
so
in the right
much.
place. Let's see if they literally did the mirror image and flip flop to this side. See if you can make yourself work now.
I'm going to let you guys you guys can come this way too. Come up the center. Make your line come this way. We got 7/4.
Whoever be after Beth. Whoever's after Beth, come stand right here. And then
Yeah.
Gabe.
9/4.
No,
We need
no,
10/4.
10/4.
who's 10? Okay.
There you
and
go.
let's keep going. You need to see each other.
And then
Yeah.
Gabe, and then me.
So turn so you can see each
And then
other.
me. I don't even know what.
13. 14, 15. Okay, there we go. Let's see.
14.
Okay, so now everybody can see each other, right? Maybe. 8, 9, 10. Let me see. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Well, you know. That's okay. Okay. So this is what I want you to do. So this is actually the Year Genius idea. So if you are, so think about your number. Think about the number that you have in your hand. Well, let's go through them first. Okay. So we're going to count. 0, 1 fourth,
2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths, 8 fourths, 9 fourths, 10 fourths, 11 fourths, 12 fourths, 13 fourths, 14 fourths, 15 fourths, 16 fourths, 17 fourths.
Okay. If you are a whole number, think about your number. If you are a whole number, step to the center. If you are a whole number, does everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Austin, and what are you? What would 4 fourths be? 1 whole.
8 fourths, 2 fourths.
2 wholes.
4 fourths, it would be 3 wholes.
3 wholes. Sorry, I didn't mean to flash that up there.
I mean 12.
I knew exactly what you meant. I gotcha. 3. Okay, and then
16 fourths would be 4 wholes.
4 wholes. Wow. Okay. I like this. Okay, everybody, fall back into your number line part. Or your. Okay, if you are a improper fraction, step to the center. That's a whole gaggle of you. A whole gaggle of you.
Everyone except 4.
Okay. All right, everybody step.
And you said that would be everyone. Is that?
No, it would be everyone but the holes. So yeah, everyone and the one.
Okay, is this, wait,
Oh, no, she doesn't.
wait a minute, hold on just a second. So I didn't pick up on that. I'm glad that Mrs. Wilburn heard that, because is everyone in improper fraction? No. Okay. Is 2 fourths an improper fraction?
No.
No. Okay.
If
So,
something's over 1 whole and it's written like that, then it's an improper fraction.
there we go. Okay. So I like that we know that. That's good. Okay, everybody go back to their spots.
Okay, but I noticed Austin didn't step into the middle, but Beth and Arden did.
He did.
They shouldn't have.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, because we're a whole number.
So if you're a whole number, should you be standing with the mixed number people and the improper fraction people? No. No. 'Cause you're a whole number.
Were you standing back?
I couldn't even see you. I
She's
could see Austin. But then there was a cluster.
Okay, now you have to really think on this one. So think about where our whole numbers are. So if we're going down the number line, we're chugging along, we get to Austin, we're at the whole number, right? We're chugging along. Okay, so think about where our whole numbers are. And if you have a number that is between 1 whole and 2 wholes. 1 whole, so between 1 and 2. So who is 1? Hold hers up, and hold number 2 up if you're 2. So if you're in between, Austin, hold yours up. Yeah, you got it. Okay.
You 3 step in. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in between 1 and 2.
So this is. Do you remember what you told me when you first told me your number?
Yeah.
You were spot on.
1 whole and
1 whole and 1 fourth. Can you continue that? What are you?
2 holes. No, 1 whole and 2.
You were close. Flip-flop those numbers. 1 whole and 2 fourths. All right. Okay, so I'm sorry. It's going to be like...
They're so used to it. It's all good.
Okay. So let's do one more like this, and then we'll have a seat. And okay. So let's do... I'm thinking, and this might be just a single person. What if I want to know whose number is 2 3/4? 2 3 1/4. Yes. And who comes after that?
3.
It's 3. Because of the whole number 3, right? Okay. All right. Everybody have a seat. That was crazy. Thank you guys for all of your awesome participation. Oh, you will definitely have a chance. I promise. Yes, you may erase your boards. What is another number for this? You can just shout it out. 1 whole. So this is what we did, right? No. Goodness gracious. And I'm not going to go too far. I'm just going to put these up there so we can see them, okay? All right. So that was this is how we kept going along. Can we do this for another fraction? Is it possible to do that? Is there maybe just like 1 or 2 more, or could we go on forever? You can. Yeah, you can go on forever. So we could technically, would this be proper? Okay. So where's the whole? 3/3. Okay. And then this will just continue and continue, right? Okay. So go ahead and we're going to use those a lot. Don't just are they all wiped off? Okay. So draw a rectangle. And I know that I've been here when we've talked about really thinking about how we make it so that they're not just willy, right? Yeah, because we kind of want to strategically make it so that it looks fairly even. I know that I'm not an artist. I don't expect anybody else to be, but maybe just keep them nice and neat. So let's do thirds. What would this be? 2/3. Okay, so put this on your board, and we're going to write 2/3.
You want to put the whole, like put the lines with the whole.
To represent a whole, that's okay. No, because we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So does everybody have a nice rectangle, 2/3 written and 2/3 shaded in? Go ahead and shade your 2/3 in. Okay, so this is when we start thinking a little bit. What happens if I do this? Think about it. Take a second to think about it. Where's everybody at on this? Are they comfortable? We got a lot of comfortable people. Everybody think they know it?
Yes.
So if we do that, what do you think the answer is? Come write it up on the board.
This becomes
4/6. Does everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Hold on. Did I hear a no? Did somebody say no? Did anybody know? Oh, I could have sworn I heard a no. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to make sure everybody was on the same page. Okay, so does everybody agree with this? Why did it become 4, 6? What did we do? Sophia. Okay. Old, right? So what happened to the parts of the whole?
You split into half.
I think I understand where you're going with that, because I did